Programming methodologies. Programming methodologies. Two popular approaches to programming design. 1. Structured approach. 2. Object-oriented approach. Structured approach. Dividing a problem into smaller subproblems is called structured design. Each subproblem is then analyzed, and a solution is obtained to solve the subproblem. The solutions to all of the subproblems are then combined to solve the overall problem. This process of implementing a structured design is called structured programming. The structured design approach is also known as top-down design, bottom-up design, stepwise refinement, and modular programming. Object-oriented approach. Object-oriented design, OOD, is a widely used programming methodology. In OOD, the first step in the problem-solving process is to identify the components called objects, which form the basis of the solution, and to determine how these objects interact with one another. For example, suppose you want to write a program that automates the DVD rental process for a local DVD store. The two main objects in this problem are the DVD and the customer. This illustrates that each object consists of data and operations on that data. And one object combines data and operations on the data into a single unit. In OOD, the final program is a collection of interacting objects. A programming language that implements OOD is called an object-oriented programming (OOP) language.